A name feared by empires, a shadow cast across continents. He was not a man, he was a storm. Born as Temujin, abandoned, hunted, broken, but pain forged a legend. He united the Mongol tribes with one cry: submit or be erased. He didn't build an empire, he devoured it. He rode over Asia like a curse. 40 million dead, cities erased, rivers turned red. He didn't conquer land, he silenced civilizations. Then he vanished. No tomb, no trace. His burial guarded by death. His killers were killed, then killed again. Legend whispers, anyone who dares search for his grave awakens the wrath of the Khan. Some say his spirit rides still across the steppe, waiting. He reshaped Earth, borders, bloodlines, DNA. 1 in every 200 men carries his blood. He lives on, not in memory, but in us. You don't find Genghis Khan, he finds you.